The phrases perception versus reality highlight a fundamental distinction between how we interpret the world and how the world actually is. Reality refers to the objective state of things as they truly exist, independent of individual minds or interpretations. It's the factual, verifiable truth, regardless of whether someone perceives it or not. Perception is our subjective interpretation and understanding of that reality. It's how our brains process sensory information, filtered through our personal experiences, beliefs, emotions, biases, and cultural background. Our perception isn't always an accurate reflection of reality, it's a version of it. Here's a breakdown with examples. Why perception differs from reality. Sensory limitations. Our senses are limited. We only see a certain spectrum of light, hear a specific range of sounds, etc. What exists beyond our sensory capabilities is still reality, but we can't perceive it. Example, dogs can hear sounds at much higher frequencies than humans. A dog whistle is silent to humans, our perception, but it's a very real sound to a dog reality. Personal experiences and biases. Our past experiences heavily influence how we interpret new information. We tend to see what we expect to see or what aligns with our existing beliefs. Example, two people watch the same sporting event. A fan of one team might perceive a questionable call as clearly favoring the opposing team, while a fan of the other team sees it as a fair and correct decision. The reality is the call itself, but their perceptions are skewed by their team loyalty. Emotions and mood. Our emotional state can dramatically alter our perception of a situation. Example, if you're feeling anxious, a polite and neutral email from your boss might be perceived as having a critical or demanding tone, even if the reality is that it's just a routine communication. Assumptions and preconceptions. We often fill in gaps in information with our own assumptions, which can lead to misinterpretations. Example, you see a colleague regularly working late. Your perception might be that they are incredibly dedicated and a hard worker. The reality might be that they are inefficient during the day and have to stay late to finish their tasks. Social influence and expectations. The perceptions of others and societal norms can shape our own. Example, a company might have a highly toxic work environment reality, but due to a strong culture of silence or fear, new employees might perceive it as normal or even good, at least initially, because everyone else seems to be accepting it. The impact of perception on reality. While perception is distinct from objective reality, it's crucial to understand that our perceptions heavily influence our actions and, consequently, our individual realities. If you perceive a situation as negative, you're more likely to react negatively, which can then create a negative outcome for you. Classic example, the half-empty or half-full glass. Reality, a glass contains water up to its halfway mark. This is an objective fact. Perception 1, half-empty. Someone focuses on what is lacking and perceives the glass as half-empty, indicating a pessimistic outlook. Perception 2, half-full. Someone focuses on what is present and perceives the glass as half-full, indicating an optimistic outlook. In this simple example, the reality amount of water is constant, but the perception of it reveals vastly different mindsets. This difference in perception can then influence how the person approaches their day, their challenges, and their overall well-being. In essence, reality is what it is, while perception is how we make sense of what is. Understanding this distinction is vital for critical thinking, empathy, and effective communication, as it helps us recognize that others may interpret the same objective reality very differently from ourselves.